चलते हैं, जहां घाना की संसद में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
We see a nation that shines with courage, that rises above history, that meets every challenge with dignity and grace. Your commitment to democratic ideals and inclusive progress truly makes Ghana a beacon of inspiration for the entire African continent. Friends, last evening was a deeply moving experience. Receiving your national award from my dear friend, President Mahama, is an honor. I will always cherish that. इस सम्मान के लिए मैं 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की तरफ से घाना के लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। On behalf of the 1.4 billion people of India, I thank the people of Ghana for this honor. I dedicate it to the enduring friendship and shared values that bind India and Ghana. Distinguished members, earlier today, I had the honor of paying tribute to a visionary and statesman and beloved son of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. He once said, "The forces that unite us are intrinsic and greater than the superimposed influences that keep us apart." His words continue to guide our shared journey. His vision was a democratic republic built on strong institutions. True democracy promotes discussion and debate. It unites people. It supports dignity and promotes human rights. Democratic values may take time to grow, but it is our responsibility to preserve and nurture them. Friends, India is the mother of democracy. हमारे लिए लोकतंत्र एक सिस्टम नहीं बल्कि संस्कार है। हजारों वर्षों से लोकतंत्र ने भारतीय समाज को निरंतर गति दी है। फॉर अस, डेमोक्रेसी इज नॉट merely a system, it is a part of our fundamental values.
नरेंद्र मोदी का घाना का अहम दौरा है। घाना की संसद में पीएम मोदी इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे हैं। ये सीधी तस्वीरें अक्रा घाना से।
Is sweeter than your famous sugar loaf pineapple. With President Mahama, we have decided to elevate our ties to a comprehensive partnership. Friends, the world order created after the Second World War is changing fast. The revolution in technology, the rise of the global south, and shifting demographics are contributing to its pace and scale. The challenges, such as colonial rule, that humanity has faced in the earlier centuries, still persist in different forms. The world is also facing new and complex crises such as climate change, pandemics, terrorism, and cybersecurity. Institutions created in the last century are struggling to respond. The changing circumstances demand credible and effective reforms in global governance. Progress cannot come without giving voice to the global south. We need more than slogans. We need action. That is why during India's G20 presidency, we worked with the vision, one earth, one family, one future. We put emphasis on Africa's rightful place at the global high table. We are proud that the African Union became a permanent member of the G20 during our presidency. Friends, for India, our philosophy is humanity first. We believe in Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet. It means may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all feel what is auspicious, may no one suffer in any way. This philosophy embodies India's approach to the world. It guided our actions during the COVID pandemic. We shared vaccines and medicines with over 150 countries, including our friends in Ghana. We launched Mission Life, Lifestyle for Environment. To address climate change, its opportunities. Where every voice is heard, where nations rise together, not apart. Dr. Nkrumah had said, and I quote, "I am not African because I was born in Africa, but because Africa was born in me." Unquote. In the same way, India carries Africa in its heart. let us build a partnership not only for today, but for generations to come. Thank you. Medam Vase.
संबंध मजबूत है। घाना के सर्वोच्च सम्मान के लिए भी उन्होंने आभार जताया। आपको बता दें, द ऑफिसर ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द स्टार ऑफ घाना से सम्मानित किया गया है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को, और इस पुरस्कार के लिए उन्होंने आभार भी जताया। 140 करोड़ भारतीयों की ओर से आभार जताया है सभी का। दोनों देश समावेशी विकास की तरफ है। भारत लोकतंत्र की जननी है।
The wisdom of the Prime Minister of the largest democracy in the world. A population of more than the population in Africa. (2,500 political parties. (22 official languages. No wonder they established the Public Accounts Committee that we know today as far back as 1921. So in 2021, they celebrated the 100 years of Public Accounts Committee in India. I want to assure His Excellency that our Public Accounts Committee will be visiting your Parliament to understudy your journey and to learn from you.